Ever wondered why some of the most amazing people you know choose to stay single? It's not just a coincidence. From focusing on personal growth to avoiding toxic relationships, there are compelling reasons behind their decision. In this video, we'll uncover the motivations and benefits that come with choosing a solo path. Get ready to see singleness in a whole new light, and maybe even appreciate why it might be the best choice for some. Stay tuned to find out why staying single can be a powerful, positive decision. Individual. Now, if you are new here, please like the video and subscribe. Statistics show that only 5% of my audience is subscribed to the channel, so if this content has helped you in any, I ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's start. 6 reasons why so many great people stay single. 1. Prioritizing personal growth. Prioritizing personal growth is a significant reason why many great people choose to stay single. This focus on self-improvement is various aspects of their lives, including career development, educational pursuits, emotional health, and personal interests. For individuals who are deeply committed to their personal growth, staying allows them to dedicate more energy to these endeavors. Distractions or compromises that often come with romantic relationships. One primary aspect of prioritizing personal growth is career development. Many individuals have ambitious career goals that require intense focus, long hours, and a high level of dedication. Being single provides the flexibility to pursue these goals without having to balance the demands of a relationship. They can take on challenging projects, travel for work, and invest in further education or training to advance their careers. This level of commitment to professional success often leaves little room for the time and emotional investment that a relationship would require. Educational pursuits also play a crucial role in personal growth for those who are passionate about learning and acquiring new skills. Staying single allows for uninterrupted study and intellectual exploration. Whether it's pursuing advanced degrees, attending workshops, or engaging in self-study, the freedom to focus solely on education can be immensely fulfilling. This continuous pursuit of knowledge not only enhances their personal and professional lives, but also fosters a sense of self-sufficiency and confidence. Emotional health is another critical component of personal growth. Individuals who prioritize their emotional well-being often engage in activities such as therapy, meditation, and self-reflection. Staying single provides the space to address personal issues, heal from past traumas, and build a strong foundation of self-awareness and resilience. This process of healing and self-discovery is essential for developing healthy relationships in the future, but it requires time and solitude that might be difficult to achieve within a romantic partnership. 2. High standards. High standards are a key reason why many great people choose to stay single. These individuals often have a clear understanding of what they want and need in a partner, and they are unwilling to settle for anything less. High standards can encompass various, including compatibility, intelligence, ambition, emotional maturity, and physical attraction. By maintaining these, they ensure that any potential relationship aligns with long-term goals and personal values, leading to more fulfilling and meaningful connections. One primary aspect of high standards is the demand for compatibility. Great people often seek partners who share similar interests, values, and life goals. They understand that a strong foundation of shared beliefs and aspirations is essential for a lasting and harmonious relationship. This compatibility goes beyond surface-level interests and extends deeper values such as integrity, and commitment to personal growth. By holding out for someone who truly aligns with their core values, they increase the likelihood of finding a partner who enhances their rather than complicates it. Intelligence and ambition are also critical components of high standards. Many great people are driven by their intellectual pursuits and career goals, and they seek partners who can match their level of ambition and intellectual curiosity. They desire stimulating conversations, mutual respect for each other's achievements, and the ability to support and challenge each other in their respective endeavors. This intellectual and professional compatibility ensures that both partners together and maintain a dynamic, evolving relationship. Emotional maturity is another crucial factor in high standards. Great people have a high degree of self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and they seek partners who possess similar qualities. Emotional maturity involves the ability to communicate effectively, handle conflicts constructively, and provide mutual support and understanding. By prioritizing emotional maturity, they aim to build relationships based on trust, respect, and genuine connection rather than superficial attraction or convenience. 3. Enjoying independence. Enjoying independence is a significant reason why many great people stay single. Independence allows individuals to live life on their own terms, make decisions without compromise, and pursue personal goals and passions without restrictions. For many, the autonomy that comes with being single is a crucial aspect of their happiness and self-fulfillment. This freedom encompasses various dimensions, including personal growth, career advancement, emotional well-being, and social relationships. Personal growth is often more accessible for those who relish their independence without the responsibilities and compromises that come with a romantic relationship. Individuals can focus entirely on their self-improvement. They have the freedom to explore their interests, develop new skills, and engage in activities that foster personal development. This could involve traveling to new places, dedicating time to hobbies and passions, or investing in further education. The autonomy to prioritize their own needs and desires enables them to evolve and grow in ways that might be more challenging within a relationship. Career advancement is another critical aspect of enjoying independence. Many great people are highly ambitious and career-focused. Being single allows them to invest the necessary time and effort into their professional lives without having to balance the demands of a relationship. They can work long hours, take on challenging projects, and relocate if needed for career opportunities. This dedication to their career often results in significant professional achievements and satisfaction, reinforcing their preference for independence. Emotional well-being is also a key factor in enjoying independence. Relationships require emotional investment, compromise, and often come with their own set of challenges and stressors. For some individuals, the emotional freedom that comes with being single allows them to maintain a sense of peace and stability. They can prioritize their mental health, engage in self-care practices, and avoid the potential emotional turmoil that can arise from relationship conflicts. This focus on their own emotional well-being ensures they maintain a healthy and balanced life. 4. Career focus. Career focus is a prominent reason why many great people choose to stay single. For those with ambitious career goals, dedicating time and energy to their professional development often takes precedence over forming and maintaining romantic relationships. This intense focus on career advancement can lead to significant personal and professional achievements, providing a sense of fulfillment and purpose that can rival or even surpass that of a romantic partnership. One primary aspect of career focus is the pursuit of excellence and mastery in one's chosen field. Great people often have a deep passion for their work and a desire to make meaningful contributions. Staying single allows them to immerse themselves fully in their careers, dedicating long hours to honing their skills, taking on challenging projects, and striving for excellence. This commitment to their professional development can lead to rapid career advancement, increased recognition, and a sense of accomplishment that fuels their drive and motivation. Career focus also involves a willingness to seize opportunities that may arise, regardless of location or timing. Many ambitious individuals are open to relocating for job offers, attending conferences, or pursuing further education and training. Being single provides the flexibility to make these decisions without the need to consider a partner's preferences or commitments. This freedom to prioritize their career can result in unique and valuable experiences that enrich their professional journey and broaden their horizons. The financial rewards that come with a successful career are another factor that can influence the decision to stay single. For many, financial independence and security are paramount. A strong focus on career development can lead to higher earning potential, better job benefits, and increased financial stability. This financial autonomy allows individuals to live life on their terms, invest in their future, and enjoy the fruits of their labor without having to share or compromise with a partner. 5. Fear of heartbreak. Personal growth and self-discovery are significant reasons why many great people choose to stay single. This phase of life offers a unique opportunity to explore oneself deeply, pursue passions, and develop into the best version of oneself without the compromises and distractions that often accompany romantic relationships. This journey of self-improvement and understanding is multifaceted: emotional, intellectual, and physical growth. At the core of personal growth is the quest for self-awareness. Being single allows individuals to spend time reflecting on their values, beliefs, and goals. This introspection helps them understand who they are and what they want out of life, leading to more informed and authentic decisions without the influence of a partner's opinions or needs. They can cultivate a strong sense of identity and self-confidence. This self-awareness is crucial for building a fulfilling life based on one's own terms rather than societal expectations or relationship dynamics. Emotional growth is another crucial aspect of personal development. Being single provides the space to process past experiences, heal from emotional wounds, and develop healthier coping mechanisms. It offers the opportunity to learn about emotional independence, resilience, and self-compassion. These skills are essential for navigating life's challenges and building strong, healthy relationships in the future, whether romantic or otherwise. By prioritizing emotional growth, individuals can break free from past patterns and create a more balanced and contented inner life. Intellectual growth also flourishes during periods of singleness. Without the time and energy demands of a relationship, individuals can dedicate themselves to learning and enrichment. This might involve pursuing higher education, learning new skills, or engaging in hobbies and interests that stimulate the mind. Intellectual growth not only enhances career prospects, but also leads to a more fulfilling and enriched life. It fosters curiosity, creativity, and a lifelong love of learning, which are essential components of a well-rounded and successful individual. 6. Selective social circles. Avoiding unhealthy relationships is a significant reason why many great people choose to stay single. This decision stems from a strong desire to maintain their well-being and mental health, free from the negative impacts that toxic or dysfunctional relationships can bring. By prioritizing their happiness and stability, they create a life that is more fulfilling, peaceful, and conducive to personal and professional success. One primary aspect of avoiding unhealthy relationships is recognizing the signs of toxicity Great people often have high emotional intelligence and self-awareness, allowing them to identify red flags early on. These signs can include manipulation, lack of respect, constant criticism, and emotional or physical abuse. By being vigilant and discerning, they can avoid entangling themselves in relationships that could cause harm and disrupt their lives. Staying single allows individuals to set and maintain high standards for themselves and their potential partners. They are not willing to settle for less than they deserve, which means they will not tolerate behaviors or attitudes that are detrimental to their well-being. This high standard ensures that any future relationship they enter into is based on mutual respect, support, and genuine connection, rather than compromise and suffering. Another critical aspect is the emphasis on self-worth and self-love. Great people understand the importance of valuing themselves and their happiness, but above all else, they recognize that being in a relationship for the sake of companionship or societal pressure is not worth sacrificing their mental health and personal growth. By staying single, they affirm their worth and prioritize their needs, creating a strong foundation of self-respect and confidence.